today's video, we're going to share how to generate 500% more leads using AI-generated business cards. Digital business cards are changing the way we network. Instead of stacks of paper that just get tossed, you now have a dynamic, interactive business card that lives on your phone. Companies are cutting their costs in half, and they're generating more leads because digital business cards make it way easier to connect. And AI takes this to the next level. AI-powered digital business cards help you personalize every interaction, automatically capture contact details, and analyze your networking data to improve your marketing. With these tools, you're not just handing out a card, you're building a smarter, automated system for growing your business. Also, guys, if you're new here, my name is Sam, and this channel is dedicated to helping entrepreneurs and business owners like yourself with free videos and tutorials like this one. Let's get started by talking about what a digital business card is and how AI is involved. Digital business cards serve as modern alternatives to paper cards. These cards exist in a digital format, allowing easy sharing via smartphones and other devices. Users can include information such as contact details, social media links, and multimedia content. The flexibility of digital business cards allows users to update their information right on the spot without having to print a new card. Digital business cards are transforming networking by replacing traditional paper business cards with interactive formats. With their ease of use and sharing by just tapping your phone or scanning a QR code, these are becoming extremely valuable for networking and lead generation. Now let's briefly talk about how digital business cards compare to traditional business cards. Traditional paper business cards require reprinting and manual updates whenever information changes. This process not only occurs additional costs, but time as well, because you have to send them out to get printed, and that takes time. In contrast, digital business cards offer automatic updates and redesigns, saving both resources and effort. Users can share digital business cards through email, messaging apps, or QR codes, enhancing accessibility and convenience. Now let's talk more in depth about the role of AI in digital business cards. AI-powered digital business cards introduce advanced functionalities that transform networking. AI enables real-time data capture and analysis, providing valuable insights into user interactions. And this can come in the form of gathering data by pairing a chatbot with your digital business card. Personalization becomes seamless as AI tailors content based on user preferences and behavior. Businesses benefit from AI's ability to streamline lead management and improve marketing strategies. And don't worry, we're going to show you exactly how to do this toward the end of today's video. But here are some examples of AI in digital business cards. AI-driven analytics optimize networking efforts by identifying high potential leads. Augmented reality features create interactive experiences, making connections more memorable. AI tools can assist in customizing messages and offers. So, for example, let's say you share your digital business card with someone at a networking event. After you get their information, you can have your SMS chatbot follow up after the event. And here's where you can do your pitch to see how you can offer them services. And don't worry, we'll show you how to do this. But first, let's talk about how you can create these AI-generated business cards for lead generation. NewOaks AI is one of the companies leading the trend and revolutionizing the digital business card scene. And I'm actually going to show you how to create a digital business card on their platform. So guys, go ahead and click on that special link down below in the description. That's going to bring you to the NewOaks homepage, and then we can join up here together to walk through their platform. Once you've clicked on that link down below, guys, it should bring you to a page that looks something like this. And once we're here, guys, let's go ahead and click try it for free. We'll go ahead and enter our email and password here and click sign up. And once we've verified our account, guys, you should see a page that looks something like this. And you'll see that we have a couple chatbots here. And what we're going to do is go up to account here in the top right hand corner, click on settings, and then we'll go to digital business cards here on the left hand side. Let's go ahead and enter a username, and we can click continue. Now here is where we are going to create our digital business card. As you can see on the right hand side here, we're going to put everything onto this little card, and it's going to look pretty good. So let's go ahead and get started. You can choose a different template here if you'd like. There's white, gray, black, a bunch of different colors here. I actually like the purple one that it came with, which is default. So let's just go ahead and leave that for now. We can go ahead and upload a personal photo here. So let's go ahead and do that now. Once we've done that, let's go ahead and put our name in here. Then we can put our email here. And then here's a really cool part where we can attach our chatbot. Now we haven't made any chatbots yet, but here you can have them talk with your AI assistant, which is really neat. And then you can change that label here as well. We can put some more organizations here if we'd like. So under my name, I can just go ahead and put Startup Wise. I can put my title here. We'll put video host. I can put a cell phone number here. Then I can also put a website. So we can put startupwise.com. Let's see if that looks good. Perfect. You can put a Facebook here, a LinkedIn, a WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter. Let's go ahead and put our city and state here. We can also put our country. At the bottom, we can change change all of the theme colors, background. We can add a contact color. We can change the color to talk with our assistant. So if we want everything purple, but in red, we can go ahead and put the talk with my assistant just so it stands out. You can see that here. And now you can also add an SMS template. So this is what's going to be sent as soon as somebody connects with you. So you can say, thanks so much for connecting. I look forward to talking more soon. Now there's a couple different options here that you can click. You can have it pop up predefined SMS upon scanning. You can pop up predefined SMS upon clicking add to contacts. All right, and that's pretty much it for the digital business card. One thing to note is that this needs to have HTTP to start. After you've done that, let's go ahead and click save and preview, and then we can see our entire card here. All right, that looks pretty good. I probably want to pick a picture where my head is a little bit more centered and fills up more of the frame, but you can go ahead and change that to your liking. I think this looks pretty good, so we can also just share it from here. We can scan this QR code, or we can download this QR code. So if you want to print out pamphlets for people to scan, to add you, however you want to distribute this QR code, you can. And then you can also copy this link here, and that will bring everyone to your digital business card. So now that you know how to set up your digital business card, let's show you a little bit about how the chatbot works. Once we've gone back to my chatbot here, we can go ahead and click on new chatbot, and we'll walk through this. It's very intuitive, but let's go ahead and show you how to use it. So there's a couple different features, as you can see in the top bar here. There's the voice AI. So you can set this all up to have a voice call with your leads, and it gives you a voice prompt here where you can talk to the agent. You can say, hello, this is your AI assistant. How may I help you today? And they can respond. And then if you want to transfer the call to you or someone else, then you need to pay for the premium version here, but you can unlock that if you think you need it. There's a leads form here, so you can go ahead and create this for what you would like from them. First name, last name, email, phone number, and you can also make them do it before they chat. Then you can enable appointments here as well. So you can connect your Calendly so they can directly sign up from the chatbot to book a time with speaking with you. They also have a live chat option. There's some sources and other integrations. You probably won't need any of this, but let's go back to the important part, which is at the beginning here for the chatbot. So we can preview this initial chatbot, or we can just build an AI agent. So let's go ahead and click on that. Now, depending on what template you'd like to choose, there's customer service, sales service, conversion lead, appointment booking, custom. Let's just go ahead and say we want to get them to book an appointment to speak with us. So let's go ahead and go to appointment booking, and we'll click next. And now it's basically going to build out everything for you here. So it says, you are Clara. I need your help to manage booking appointments efficiently. Please follow these steps. And you can edit all these prompts based on what you need. And also you can update the knowledge base here if you'd like, and just drop in files. We'll just go ahead and press finish now and see what it has done for us. So the training has succeeded, as you can see here in the top corner. So let's go ahead and type a message, and we can ask what we need help with. So let's just say, hi Sam, it was nice meeting with you. Do you have some time this week to chat? And it says, hello, I'd be happy to schedule a chat with you, Sam, this week. Can you please let me know your preferred dates and times for a meeting? Also, if you have any specific topics you'd like to discuss, feel free to share. Perfect. Let's say Friday at 3 p.m. to talk about sales. Does that work for you? And then it says, I will check Sam's availability for Friday at 3 p.m. Could you please confirm you mean Friday, November 28th? And do we want to do a virtual or in-person meeting? Yes, the 28th, and in-person is great. And then it's just going to go ahead and collect all this information from you. I need a contact phone number and email address. So it's basically doing all of the follow-up for you. And you can build this out however you like. This is just one example. Also, guys, if we go back to my chatbots, we can do a new chatbot from a template, and there's tons of different chatbot templates that we can use here. So there's e-commerce, go high level, real estate, and then there's agent templates as well if you're a leasing agent or a recruiting agent. There's really endless options with this, and you have to build it out exactly to what you need for your business. But just think about all the time and money you're going to be saving by not printing regular business cards anymore and having the follow-up done for you. All right, guys, so let's just briefly talk about what can really happen when these digital business cards are put to the test. At your next conference, you can use NewOaks AI digital business card. It's going to make connecting with people way easier. It'll make following up with appointments and setting appointments way easier. That way you can follow up with a lot more people without any of the effort on your end. So here's the key takeaway. These digital business cards not only look cool, but they actually work in increasing lead generation. Also, the AI is going to really help you figure out who's actually interested in setting an appointment to talk to you and who's not. And you can focus on the clients that you can really help and make a big difference for. So guys, that's all we have for you today. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more content like this, leave a like, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this in the future. This channel is dedicated to helping entrepreneurs and business owners like yourself with free videos and tutorials like this one. So guys, thank you so much for watching. We wish you the best, and we will see you back again in the next video.